Hello everyone, hope you are studying well and you are also in good health during this present situation due to COVID-19. And in my previous video I discussed regarding the very short answer type questions and the short answer type questions. I hope you have seen that video, and if you have not seen yet, please click on the I button. It is at the top of your screen and watch that video. And in this video we'll discuss regarding the descriptive type questions. So in this chapter, that is set theory chapter, the descriptive type question means especially the word problems. So please watch this video from top to bottom. Now we'll see some descriptive type questions. Question number 11. In a group of 850 persons, 600 can speak Hindi and 340 can speak Tamil. Find number 1, how many can speak both Hindi and Tamil? Number 2, how many can speak Hindi only? Number 3, how many can speak Tamil only? So in these types of questions, two things we need to do. First, we have to assume the sets properly, and the next one, what are given and what are being asked in that question, that we need to write properly. So it is clear from that question that there are two sets, one Hindi speaking public and set number 2, that is Tamil speaking public. So we'll assume that let H be the set of Hindi speaking public and T be the set of Tamil speaking public. So now what is given in that question, that is N of H union T, as the total number of persons in that group is 850. So H union T will be 850. Now 600 can speak Hindi, so N of H, it will be 600. Now 340 can speak Tamil, so N of T, it will be 340. So these are given, and now we need to find how many can speak both Hindi and Tamil. That is, we need to find H intersection T. Second one, how many can speak Hindi only? That is N of H minus T, only Hindi. So we need to write H minus T, that is we need to subtract the Tamil speaking public set from Hindi speaking public set. So we are writing H minus T. Number 3, how many can speak Tamil only? So we will take N of T minus H. So these we need to find. Now how we can find? If we draw the Venn diagram, if this is H and this is T, so first we need to find out H intersection T, and we know the addition rule, that is N of H union T is equals to NH plus NT minus N of H intersection T. So from that we can write N of H intersection T equals to NH plus NT minus N of H union T, and we know N of H is 600 plus NT is 340 and minus H union T, that is 850. So this is 940 minus 850, that is 90. So there are 90 people who can speak both Hindi and Tamil. Now we are coming to the second one. The second one is N of H minus T we need to find. So H minus T, that is this region. So how we can find? That is, if we subtract this overlapped area from the whole Hindi speaking public set, we will get the required region. So we can write H minus T as the total part, that is NH, minus we will subtract this overlapped part, that is this is H intersection T. So NH is 600 minus H intersection T. In the previous question we have found that is 90. So the answer will come as 510. So there are 510 people who can speak Hindi only. Now we are coming to the third one. How many can speak Tamil only? So Tamil only means we need to find n of t minus h. And similarly we can find out that t minus h means this dotted region, that is from the whole set T. If we subtract this overlapped area, so we will get the required area. So this will be nt minus n of h intersection t, and nt we know 340 minus h intersection t we have found already, that is 90. So this will be 250 people. So therefore there are 250 people who can speak Tamil only. Now we are coming question number 12. In a survey of 425 students in a school, it was found that 115 drink apple juice, 160 drink orange juice, and 80 drink both apple and orange juice. Now the question is, how many drink neither apple juice nor orange juice? It is clear from that question there are two sets of students. One set is apple juice lover and the another set is orange juice lover. So we are assuming that let A be the set of apple juice lover and O be the set of orange juice lover. So now it is given in that question that n of u, that is universal set, is 425. Now the question, why I am writing here n of u as 425 instead of A union O? Because in that question it is not mentioned that out of these 425 students everyone will like either apple juice or orange juice. There may be some student who like suppose cold drinks or pomegranate juice or anything else. So that's why we have to take here as universal set as 425 instead of A union O as 425. So here we are writing n of u is equals to 425. Now number of persons or students who like apple juice, it is given that is 115 students, and number of students who like orange juice, that is 160 students, and there are 80 students who like both apple or orange juice, that is A intersection O, that is 80. Now what we need to find, how many drink neither apple juice nor orange juice. So we need to find out here neither apple juice, that is A is the set of apple juice lovers. So who don't like apple juice, we will take A complement for that case. Similarly, don't like orange juice also, so we have to take the intersection orange juice and its complement. This we need to find. And now how we can find that n of A complement intersection O complement, if we use the De Morgan's law of set theory, and that law was A union B, its complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. So here it is n of A complement intersection O complement, that is n of A union O and its complement. And we can write here that is n of u minus n of A union O, because we know that A complement means universal set minus A. So if we take this whole set as A, so universal set minus that set. And now n of u, that is given 425 minus, and this how we can find that, by the addition theorem, that is n of A plus n of O minus n of A intersection O. And if we put the values, so 425 minus n of A is 115 here plus 160 minus 80. So we'll get 425 minus, this will be 80, 195. So 230 students. So there are 230 students who will drink neither apple juice nor orange juice. Now we are coming to question number 13. That is, in a survey it is found that 21 people like product A, 26 people like product B, 29 people like product C, and if 14 people like products A and B, 15 people like products B and C, 12 people like products C and A, and 8 people like all the 3 products, find number 1 how many people surveyed in all, and number 2 how many like product C only. So if we draw the Venn diagram, so, and it is also clear from that question there are 3 sets. So in the Venn diagram we have to take 3 sets. Suppose this is the set of product A, this is the set of product B, and this is the set of product C. So I am assuming the sets as A equals to product A, B as second product, that is product B, and C as product C. Now there are so many partitions among these 3 sets, so I am naming these partitions as, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, E, F, and this is G. Now what are given in that question? The first thing, in a survey it is found that 21 people like product A. So product A means this is the whole set, and there are 4 partitions of that set, that is A, B, E, and D. So it is given that A plus B plus E plus D equals to 21. Now 26 people like product B. So this is the set product B, and there are also 4 partitions of that set, that is B, C, D, and F. So I am writing B plus C plus D plus F, and it is 26. And I am also naming these equations as 1, this is as 2. Now it is also given that 29 people like product C, so there are 4 partitions again, that is E, D, G, F. E plus D plus G plus F, that is 29. I am naming it as 3. And also it is given 14 people like products A and B. So this is product A and this is product B, and the overlapped area is this, and this overlapped area has 2 partitions B and D. So B plus D equals to, that is there are 14 such people, so this will be 14. I am naming it as number 4. And now 15 people like product B and C. So this is the product B and this is the product C. So the intersection region will be this region, and this region will have 2 partitions D and F. So it will be D plus F equals to 15. This will be 5. And now 12 people like product C and A. This is the product A and this is the product C. So the overlapped area of this region will be this, and this will have 2 partitions, that is E and D. So we will write E plus D equals to 12, and this will be number 6. And 8 people like all the 3 products, that is A, B, and C. And among these 3 sets A, B, C, the only common portion is D. So D will be 8, and I am naming it as 7. Now from these 7 equations we can easily find out the values of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. How? That is, from equation 6 we can say, that is D we know, so we can easily find out E, and E will be 12 minus D, and D is 8, so it will be 12 minus 8, that is 4. Now equation 5, from the equation 5 we can say D plus F is given, that is 15. F equals to 15 minus D. 15 minus D, that is 15 minus D is given, that is 8, and it will be 7. Now from equation 4 we can say B will be 14 minus D, and D is given already, that is 8, so it will be 14 minus 8, that is 6. Now from equation 3 we can find out the value of G, that is G will be 29 minus E plus D plus F, and this will be 29 minus E means we have found that is 4, D is given as 8, and F we have found as 7, so it will be 29 minus 19, that will be 10. And from equation number 2 we can find out the value of C, and C will be, that is 26 minus B plus D plus F, and this will be 26 minus B we have found as 6 plus D is given, that is 8, plus F we have found as 7, that is 21, and it will be 5. And from equation 1 we can find out A, and A will be 21 minus B plus E plus D, so it will be 21 minus B we have found as 6 plus E, that is 4, plus D is given 8. 21 minus 18, that will be 3. In this way we can find out the values of A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and if we find out these values we can answer any of the questions. See the first question, how many people surveyed in all? How we can find that? How many people? Just we will add these partitions. If we add the partitions, there are 7 partitions total, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, then we will get the total number of people. And the second question, how many like product C only? So product C only means only this dotted region, that is G, the value of G, that will be the answer. So that is how many people surveyed in all. Therefore the first answer will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. A we have got as 3 plus B we have got 6 plus C we have got 5 plus D we have got 8, E we have got as 4, F that is 7 plus G, and that is 10, and this will be 43. So 43 people surveyed in all. And the second question, how many like product C only? So product C means this dotted region only, and the value of G, that will be the answer. So product C only, how many people? That is G. The value of G we got that 10. So therefore 10 people like, we can say product C only. So students, I am ending my today's class here, and we will meet on our next class with a new video regarding the chapter relation and function. And I know in your mind one question is going on, that why I have made two separate videos in the numerical section of this chapter set theory. Actually, if I merge all the numerical in the single video of this chapter set theory, again it will be a 1 hour duration video. It will be too lengthy, and in my previous video I told you that I will try my level best to make my every videos of 15 to 20 minute duration, so that you can watch these videos with your patience. And before going, please like, share and subscribe my channel as much as you can, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my every new video. And your one like, one subscription and one positive comment can help me a lot for making such more videos for you. And please stay at home and stay safe. Goodbye, take care.